Real estate is usually seen as a safe and respectable investment. But lately, there has been growing talk about cartels and illegal money entering real estate markets. So what is really happening, and why is this topic suddenly everywhere? Around the world, real estate has sometimes been used to hide illegal money. Criminal groups look for assets that can store value, grow over time, and appear legitimate. Property often fits that purpose. In some cases, illegal money enters real estate through shell companies, cash purchases, or fake buyers. This practice is known as money laundering. Governments and banks monitor this closely, especially in large cities where luxury homes sell fast. It is important to understand that this does not mean most real estate is corrupt. The majority of transactions are clean and legal. However, when oversight is weak, bad actors try to take advantage of the system. This is why stricter laws, buyer verification, and reporting rules now exist. These systems protect honest buyers, sellers, and agents while keeping the market stable. Real estate reflects the economy and society around it. When rules are strong and enforced, property remains one of the safest investments. Awareness helps protect both the industry and the people who rely on it.